Hello, good evening. Today we are making Parapu chili, which is very authentic to South India. I don't think anybody else makes that, and we can make different varieties of Parapu chili. It is mainly made of parapu and a vegetable added to that. And there are different vegetables that we can add to it, like broccoli, which we can get in US. And this is broccoli. 3 cups of broccoli cut up, and then we are going to just steam it in the microwave, and that will be ready to be added to the dal. And then the main dal I use, we can use different kinds, but I use split pea. This is the dry split pea. We have to soak it. This is a soaked split pea, and then you will grind it in the blender with red chilies, asafoetida, and a little bit of turmeric. You grind it and then you put it in the microwave covered and steam it for 5 minutes. And this is how you get it. And this is the base with the vegetable. And then you saute the whole thing. And when it's ready and cold enough to hold it, you will mash it and make it like a powder. So this is how it comes out. Now we will cook the broccoli in the microwave, and then we will saute everything together in a pan. So that's what it is. Okay, now we are ready to make the Parapu chili. The broccoli is cooked in the microwave for 5 minutes, and just remember to drain out the little water that comes out. And this is the ground parapu. And now we are going to assemble it together, like put oil, a little bit more than normal because you have to crackle the mustard in there. So just add a teaspoon of mustard. And meanwhile, we can mix the broccoli and the dal so it can go together in the pan. For maybe half a cup of dal, we can use about 4 cups of broccoli. Cut broccoli. So we're just waiting for this to crackle, and then we'll saute it. Okay. Now you see the mustard crackling in oil, and while that's being done, we can add a little bit of asafoetida, hing, and then a few curry leaves. And now you add this, so we can saute it. And maybe we can add a little salt to taste. I already put some in the dal, but the vegetable will also need a little salt. So, and right after it's sauteed a little and heated through, it's done. Sometimes you may want to roast it, so keep it for a while and it turns a little brown, but it's not necessary because everything is cooked here. Okay, now this is done well and the flavor comes out, and this is the final product of this Parapu chili. And you can use different vegetables like beans, cabbage, and in India we make with varapu, which is very tasty, and so you can have a variety of Parapu chili.